If you are heading to Tagaytay, this might be your next stop. Looking for a steak, pasta, this is my honest review in Morgana restaurant. First, we order handmade pasta spaghetti alla Shitara Carbonara. The egg yolk served as a cream with bacon, salt and pepper. For me, this is 9 out of 10. Next is the chicken salad. This is new for me. Lahat ng veggies ay fresh. Yung chicken, inulam na lang, hindi hinalo sa veggies. Masarap siya for me. 9 out of 10. Next, yung New York strip loin steak for 250 grams. We ordered medium rare. Masarap siya pero hindi ganun kalambot. Pero bumawi sa steak rice na may spiciness flavor and steak strip. Para sa akin, steak rice pa lang sulit na. This is worth it. 8.5 over 10. Next naman is the garlic soy pork ribs. This is one of our favorite. Malambot yung ribs, malalasahan mo yung soy sauce pero not so strong. Highly recommended, kaya 10 over 10. If you're planning to visit Morgana Restaurant, you can reserve your slot sa kanilang FB page. Ito yung menu nila, post nyo na lang kung gusto nyo yung makita. They have parking space pero limited lang. Bago mag-SVD Farm, madadaanan mo na ang Morgano. For overall experience, I will give 9 out of 10. Yun lang, bye!